So today we're just doing some back-end work. We're basically just creating a test endpoint from our API that will get a user's, credentials for Google or Microsoft and get some emails, process the emails through OpenAI to get some AI data back on it, and then put that data in the database. That's all we're doing today. So let's just go. Let's first do the get user emails. We would need to know the provider. Be a string. We need the access token, which is also a string. This token will manage. All right, let's try it again. The response was okay. So what is all this other stuff? Oh, hang on. I see what the problem here is. Okay, yeah, I see. There we go. Turn email res dot data, maybe. I think that might be it. All right, there we go. That is a 25 of my email IDs and thread IDs. Const. Would that be enough to get message IDs? I should actually put some more. Message ID map. So now we should see that somewhere in the console. Perfect. That is all the message IDs. No. Okay, so then we do so for each message in message IDs, we will await gmail.users.messages.get ID will be message.I message. All right, so now instead of message IDs here, we should actually see some message information. Let's give it a test. Oh no, I still didn't. All right, there we go. So we have the message ID, the message snippet, the message subject, and who the message was from. So I think that is plenty to give to an AI model. As is prior to add Microsoft. So now we have a test function that gets us 25 emails. Async function, AI process emails. So this just takes in emails, which is an array of objects. Why don't I just make this a type? Okay, my camera died, so we're gonna just finish this up with no camera. Server ready. Let's see. That's not really any information. Alright. Let's try again. Alright, I have to redo the prompt a little bit. Create a new type for processed emails. Let's do. Alright, well that is correct, but two emails were dropped. After reading the docs, I can go and I can put input as an array, and I can do. Look, send. Received 25 emails back. That's what we want to see. And let's see here. Okay, custom labels is now. Jeez, it is taking much longer. 47 seconds. That took twice as long. All right, so we just trying to get this down a little bit. So we're now fetching all the emails in parallel. Let's see if that speeds this up. So it took about 5,000 tokens to summarize the. Okay, that's pretty good. So that's a decrease of almost 2,000 tokens, which so everything still got the custom labels. Everything still has custom labels. Everything still has important label. All right, so last step is add those to the database. Add email. All right, emails.grab. out here, and now I say FTP. All right, we're done then. If this works, we're done. Okay, send the request. Let's see. Oh yeah. All right, now we need to actually view it. Pull up Prisma Studio. If it works, we should be able to refresh here and see 23. Yeah, that's something I want to look into later. You know, because we're sending 25 emails, we're getting 23 back. But there you go. Add it to the database, ID, if it's important or not, what labels the AI gave it, and what account it belongs to. All right, we're done.